Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix slow charging speed on your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and make sure that you have fast charging turned on. This is very important because if you do not have it turned on, then that is the reason why your phone is slow charging. That's why we're going to go to the settings. Now in these settings, what are we going to do is we're going to scroll a bit down to battery, and in the battery we're going to go over into charging settings. Here, if your fast charging is with a gray switch, gray and white, then make sure that it's blue and white because that means it's enabled. So now it's turned on, and what you guys want to do is want to make sure that your charger that you're using has the power to charge your phone using fast charging. So what you guys want to do is plug the your cable that is compatible with your phone with the power that it can give, and as you guys can see, now our phone is fast charging. Let's quickly lock it, and soon we should see, as you guys can see, super fast charging, 70% and 41 minutes until it's full. So it is quite fast, I cannot lie, and that's how you guys can fix it. Now if you still cannot fix the error, make sure that you update your software. It is very important. So what are we going to do is we're going to go to software update, and here we're going to click check for updates. As you guys can see, my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. It is very important. And once again, if your charger is not compatible with the fast charging from the Samsung, make sure to change it, swap the cables, change the outlet, and see if that works. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.